What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Chantel. How y'all doing? So y'all, sorry, fell off a little bit with Vlogmas. I believe I left off on like day 8. So if you have not seen the previous videos, don't forget to check out the previous videos. But yeah, I believe I left on like day 8 or 9. So right now it is actually December 15th. But yeah, y'all, I am back. I am currently on my way to go pick up Junior. Y'all, I had on some lashes, but I took them off. But I know y'all like, girl, what's going on? Just what's going on? I don't know. I just been, I don't know, not really caring to get like super dolled up because I haven't really been going anywhere. I've just been making little runs. Finally started doing a little bit of Christmas shopping. It's just crazy because it's like, dang, Christmas is already here practically. Like, yeah, let me turn this camera on and talk to y'all. Yeah, I'm actually, it's crazy because I'm excited to try this new cereal that I just found earlier today. And I got some more cotton candy grapes that me and Junior like. So yeah, Christmas is almost here. Almost here. We decorated the tree last night, and Junior was super excited because his grandmother got him some Sonic ornaments to put on there. I think he had Sonic and Mario. So yeah, we did that last night. Yeah, y'all, it's just, you know, just been real chill. Trying to stay focused, and I actually started back writing in my journal, my little notebook. I started, you know, manifesting and writing out things like where would I see myself in the next year. So yeah, I just been trying to use my time wisely. Just trying to think of something for us to do, to give y'all some footage, some content. I'm trying to think of something for us to do later when we get back home. Y'all, I was like, dang, should I put my lashes on this morning? But I'm like, nah, I'm gonna save them. I can wait. But I might just, you know, for the fun of it, put them on later. So yeah, y'all, I am just about to pick up Junior. I will catch you guys shortly. And trying to get ready for the holidays and to give y'all some type of content, like not nothing that's just thrown together. So that's part of the reason why I really haven't been uploading anything, because I don't want it to look like, oh, she just threw something together and just put it up there. So y'all just gotta bear with me. And I forgot to tell y'all. Now y'all know I was looking for. I had been looking for my makeup bag, right? I had been looking for my makeup bag, and I ended up getting me a new makeup bag, right? So the other day, husband was on his way back in the house, and he called me like, "Why I just found your makeup bag outside?" And I'm like, "What? You found it outside?" And he like, "Yeah, I found it. It was outside." So I'm like, "Outside where?" He like, "It was in the street, like by the curb on the block that we live on." So I'm like, that is so crazy, because it's been like 2 weeks I've been looking for this dang on bag. So I was just super shocked, like, what? So, but he like, yeah, it had been ran over and all type of stuff. So I'm like, I still wanted to see the bag, you know, because I probably could get something out of the bag because I need. But that was just so crazy to me, because I'm like, I've been looking for this bag for the longest and couldn't find it. And here it is a whole 2 weeks later, and he found the bag outside. Crazy. Yeah, so that was that. Yeah, I'm gonna wash my hair tomorrow. I did buy me some lashes too, so I'm gonna put my lashes on. Like, always got, like, when you have, if you have kids, then you know, you always gonna have some type of, look at this, empty, just laying around, because he like to finish his stuff and just throw it like the car is just the garbage. You have stuff like this just laying around. There's martial arts belts in here, cars. And one thing I always have is some type of snack. I always have some type of snack in the car. Like, you gotta have some type of snack. You gotta have some water, some type of snack, especially when you have a kid or kids. So I found this little organizer thing that I'm gonna get that goes in the car, because I always either got a bag, like I got a bag back here now on the floor with snacks and stuff in there. So I found this little organizer thing that I'm gonna put in the car. So I'm gonna show y'all that. What's up, guys? So it is the end of the day. I am getting ready to, so I bought me some lashes, so I'm gonna put these on, but I'm gonna save these and I'm gonna doctor on my other lashes, my older lashes. I'm gonna try the other method, so basically cut them up and then place them piece by piece and see how they turn out. Let's see. The middle piece, the little gap right there. It came out. I was trying to pull the old glue off, it came out. Okay, so I got all these little pieces.
If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene?
Yeah, so that's it. This is how they look after I cut them up. And I still got 2 little pieces left. Still got 2 little pieces left. Actually, don't look too bad. So I guess now, when my strips get old, I might just cut them up. Okay, y'all, so that is it. I cleaned up my brows and stuff a little bit too, but that's it. I'm done putting the little pieces on, and this is how it looks. Actually don't look too bad. So yeah, that's gonna be it, guys. for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the family, and be on the lookout for our next video.